Perhaps you're just finishing work, winding down at the end of a day. Maybe you had a really tough conversation with a loved one, a colleague, a friend, a boss. Maybe it just hasn't been the day for you today. Or maybe you're preparing for an evening's rest. This mindful meditation will be short and quick and maybe just what you need in this moment. So let's jump right in. Let's begin by finding a comfortable place. Ideally somewhere that's quiet, somewhere in your home or the space that you're in right now that you feel safe. If that's not possible, find a spot in your maybe room or corner of the house that you can have a little bit of privacy. Next, let's find a posture that fits best for you during this practice. So you can choose to sit on a chair like I am. Feel free to lay on your bed, sit on your couch. You can sit or lay on the floor. Choose how you like your legs as well. They can be straight out, crossed. Remember, as we go through this meditation today, you can move your body however you might need in any given moment. Give yourself that permission to do so if you're feeling that urge. Now let's begin our 13-minute meditation. And if you're curious why 13 minutes, stick around till the end. I'll tell you afterwards the research behind 13 minutes of meditation and what it can do for us. You might not need to hear that because you'll feel the benefits. Now, I'll invite you to close your eyes if that feels okay with you and safe to you. But if not, just find a place you can focus your gaze in the room or space in front of you. Maybe you just gently look downwards towards the floor or find something within your field of view that you can connect your eyes with. And let's begin by bringing our attention to our breath. You don't need to change anything with your breath here, but only to notice the inhales and the exhales. Maybe you notice your inhale is longer than your exhale, or your exhale may be longer than your inhale. Perhaps you notice if your body is creating motion as you breathe. You may notice your chest expanding and contracting as you breathe. Or you may notice your stomach or your belly expanding or contracting as you breathe. I'm just inviting you to notice your breath and your body in this moment. As we begin to pay attention to our breath, I'm going to invite you to engage in a more active breath practice with me, which will allow our body to tap into our rest and digest and parasympathetic nervous system. Please know that any suggestions as we go through this today are just suggestions. You may try them if it feels okay, and if you don't feel it's okay, that is okay too. So I'll invite you to begin by taking an inhale, and then on our exhale, trying to lengthen our exhale so that we breathe out longer than our inhale. You might be trying to follow my breath in this moment. If you are, that's great. And if you're not, that's okay too. You might take a few breaths in between to get back into the rhythm, but really just follow what your body's bringing and the pace of your breath. Maybe as you do this, you purse your lips together, which can allow us to breathe out and slow our breath down even more. You might also imagine blowing out of a straw, and that will allow you to slow that exhale down. As you exhale, you might notice your breath going deeper into your belly space. This may bring a sense of calm, may bring a sense of ease. As you do this, notice if your exhale is longer than that inhale. Perhaps it's twice as long, maybe even longer. As you're doing this, a few things may arise. Your mind may have already wandered into other directions. Maybe thinking about things you have to do today, things that are on your list to do tomorrow. That's okay. Just take a mental note of all your thoughts. Maybe label it as, oh, my mind is wandering. And perhaps if it helps, you can imagine your thoughts as clouds in the sky, just moving along with the wind. Not getting stuck, but just we're seeing them and they're going. And continue this deeper breath for a few more moments. Next, I'll invite you to bring some gentle awareness to your day. Maybe you had a really challenging day with colleagues. Maybe you spent a lot of the day alone. Perhaps you worked extra long hours, are extra tired, or maybe you're meeting us right now in between your workday. Wherever it may be, I'll invite you to take a moment to notice what your body may be holding, the sensations that may be present, related to how your day's been. Maybe you notice things like tension in your shoulders, soreness in your back, clenching of the jaw, tension in the head. Just notice these areas of sensation. When you find these areas of sensation, I'm going to invite you to try something here. Maybe you say it out loud if that feels okay, or saying it inside. But as you notice maybe areas of pain or tension, saying to yourself, ouch. This hurts. That's painful. And then again, taking a deeper breath as you notice this. Next, I'm going to invite you to try something a little bit strange. And again, either saying it gently out loud or saying it quietly inside. I'll invite you to thank your body for showing us these sensations of tension, pain, discomfort, hurt. Maybe you say things like, "Thank you for showing up for me. Thank you for letting me know that I'm in pain. I see you. I hear you. I am grateful for you." These sensations are our body's way of letting us know that we are going through and experiencing something. Our body's way of communicating to us that something is going on. If at any point this becomes too much to pay attention to these sensations, I'll invite you to bring your attention back to your breath. And if that feels like too much, maybe just noticing your feet on the ground or cross-legged, wiggling your toes a little bit. And then gently bringing your attention back to your breath. Next, I'll invite you to imagine something soothing. Perhaps it's a calm, peaceful place. It could be somewhere that you've been in your life, close by, a park, an area in nature, somewhere on vacation. Maybe it's where you've given yourself permission to rest and relax. And maybe it's this very moment of you showing up. As you notice this calm place, allow your body to begin to ease and release some of the tension that's being held. Maybe on each out-breath you begin to notice the sights or the sounds or the smells of this calm place that you're in. Maybe you notice on your exhales your shoulders moving downwards towards the ground. You may choose to go to each and every body part, releasing tension, intentionally relaxing different muscles in your body. And allowing your body to relax on each exhale. Now, as we begin to slow down our practice, I'll invite you to wiggle your toes, wiggle your fingers. Maybe you notice your back against your seat or whatever else may be embracing you. Maybe you notice your bum on the chair or your bed or the couch or the floor. And if you've closed your eyes, I'll invite you to begin to slowly open them back into the space that we're sharing. Just noticing the room around you. Just noticing myself here with you. And I'll invite you to take a quick check-in to see how your body is feeling after engaging in this meditation and mindful practice, because you did it. You just engaged in a mindful meditation and you made it through. So I'm going to invite you to close this practice today with a gentle embrace. I'll invite you to place one hand, whichever feels good, over your heart, and the other you can choose to place it on top of that hand or close by. Noticing the warmth of your hand going inwards, providing warmth to your heart and to your chest. I want to thank you for engaging in this practice with me today. This is something that you can do on your own, or return to this and we can continue to do it together over and over, whatever feels best for you. Now, you did it. We did 13 minutes of meditation. And as I talked about earlier, 13 minutes has been shown in the research that if you do meditation daily for 13 minutes minimum, it's kind of the key of 13. However, if you're just starting with your meditation, as long as we're trying to get to 13 minutes, that would be key. And the research shows that 13 minutes of meditation allows us to reap the benefits of improved mood, improved memory, reducing our stress levels overall, and increases our general sense of well-being. So you just showed up for your body, and perhaps I'll invite you to thank yourself for it. I want to thank you again for showing up today. And if this felt beneficial for you, I would invite you to subscribe and like, as viewers like you help me create more and more content like this. And if you'd like to move on to another video that's related, not necessarily meditation, but another video that tunes into our parasympathetic nervous system through our vagus nerve, if you've ever heard of it, check out this video here, and it'll take you to a quick exercise that I demonstrate that you can follow along to help bring in more peace and calm. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful evening or a wonderful rest of your day. Take good care.